Brandon with Be Clean Professionals, and as you can see, we are on a warehouse and we're doing the floors. This warehouse is about the size of a Walmart. We have a ride-on scrubber that we're going to be using. We're mainly doing a deep cleaning of these floors, trying to get them in a better state here. We're going to be cleaning these floors twice. We're going to be using a natural floor cleaner at first, and then we're going to use a towel and grout cleaner to really break up this dirt here and get it up off the floor. This job's roughly, we have this scheduled for 4 hours, but it looks like it's probably going to be about 6 or 7. We have a team of 3, and we're going ahead doing our thing. This warehouse, I believe I said, is about the size of a Walmart. There's another side on this other side of that wall that we're going to go ahead and tackle. Let me show you what we're doing here. We're getting some edge pieces here. So these pieces along the edge, wood pieces, stickers. There's plastic because it's a warehouse. So there's plastic everywhere. And we're going to nail those up because we can't run the machine with that stuff on the floor. I'm going to make sure we get all the debris. Grabbing a broom so I can join the crew. There we go here. See, that's all the stuff we're getting up out the aisles because that cannot go in the machine. Doing a good dusting over here. Oh yeah, you got another aisle already complete. Look at this stuff on the floor. All right. So look at that, there's a giant piece of wood there. So I'm gonna actually go around, since they're getting these aisles done pretty quick, and I'm gonna go around and pick this stuff up. All right, stay tuned. Here's the scrubber that we'll be using. There we go. On the other side of the warehouse now. And look at these piles. All that stuff is on the floor. All right, just a little update. We got all those piles up. We got half of the warehouse done. I'm gonna get started on the machine, start filling her up, getting a solution in here, and stay tuned. There we go. Let's go get this machine filled up. Here's some horn action. Filling up the water. Now, this isn't our janitor closet. We don't maintain that, just so we're clear. The floors, we don't maintain them either, just for video purposes. We're here to just do the floor. And so we're filling the tank up. There we go. As long as this thing starts filling up, there it is, it's moving a little bit. We're gonna get it up all the way. 60-gallon tank. Water's in there doing this thing. There we go. Got the machine all filled up. This is the worst part of the floor right here, the dock. So we're gonna do a test strip here to see if our solution's right. See if we might have to add some more. Let's turn the vacuum on. Actually, let's turn the vacuum on. Squeegees down. Brush. Let's put some water down. All right, let's get going. Let's go. Brushes down, squeegees down. We're gonna scrub. Floor back there. Add some brush pressure. I'm gonna put the pressure all the way down here. Really scrub these floors. gonna make a U-turn here. Turns on the dime. And get the other side of the floor. All right, double pathing it, just to make sure we get the whole area. All right, stay tuned. Idea of just how much dirt and soil we're getting up here. That's the water. It's coming out. It's pitch black like oil. So that's what we're getting up off the floor. Of course, before we finish, we'll come and clean this all up here. But that's the track it's leaving there. All right, we just want to show the difference in the floor here. As you can see where we scrubbed at and where we have not. Big difference there. Even along the edges. Now we'll get those as well. But we got this whole area here. Stay tuned. Showed you what happened earlier, and that's because this is everything we got out of the cracks. We had to get this stuff out of here. This is all stuff from inside the cracks. Now it's getting sucked up and clogging up the machine, just giving us a lot of problems. So we're getting this all up. On New Year's Eve. Stay tuned. All right, we can get back to it here. We got most of them scrubbed. They look nice. Nice and clear. All right, you can see the floor difference already. The side's been done, not done. All right, stay tuned.